This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Friday. I'm Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network. U.S. consumer spending was flat in February after adjusting for inflation, the third consecutive month of weak consumer demand. Real consumer spending has risen less than 0.1% seasonally adjusted since November. Personal incomes, meantime, rose by a better than expected 0.5% in February. The U.S. Consumer Sentiment Index fell to 69.5 in March from 70.8 in February. Economists expected a March result of 69.6. The Current Conditions Index rose to 84.2 from 83.8 in February. The Expectations Index declined to 60.1 from 62.4. Secretary of the Treasury Henry Paulson said that the government needs to make a big effort to help Americans who can avoid foreclosure. In an interview, Paulson said 92% of Americans are making mortgage payments on time, but the percentage who are not are one of the main sources of current economic problems. Other business news, Electronic Arts said that it's extending its tender offer to Take-Two Interactive Software to April 18th after the rival game maker pushed back the date of its annual meeting. Some of the economic reports that are scheduled out next week. It's going to be a pretty busy week. Chicago PMI is scheduled, Institute for Supply Management's manufacturing and non-manufacturing reports. The ADP Employment Index, factory orders, as well as the non-farm payrolls next Friday. In earnings news today, KB Homes lost $268.2 million, or $3.47 a share in the quarter. JCPenney warned that its first quarter profit will come in at about 50 cents a share compared to the previous guidance of the range of 75 to 80 cents, citing weaker than expected sales through the Easter holiday. Red Hat said it earned $22 million, or 10 cents a share in the first quarter. Some of the earnings scheduled out next week: H.B. Fuller, Bassett Furniture, Eagle Broadband, Big Dog Holdings, Joseph A. Bank Clothiers, and Mosaic Company. First quarter earnings season will begin on April 7th when Alcoa is scheduled to report. Some of the stocks in the news today include Lehman Brothers, upped to buy from hold with a price target of $65 by Citigroup. The Bear Stearns Company's CEO James Kane sold his entire stake in the company for $61 million after J.P. Morgan quintupled its buyout offer. And Delta Airlines said it remains on track to complete all MD-88 maintenance inspections and to resume normal operations very soon. And that is the Market Wrap on this Friday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.